read.
स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 सोल्व करेंगे। यहाँ पर 3 मैट्रिसेस दिए गए हैं ए, बी एंड सी और वेरीफाई करना है जी। सबसे पहले हम पार्ट नंबर फर्स्ट को वेरीफाई करेंगे। ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी ए। तो यहाँ पर एक इक्वेशन दी गई है, पहले हम लेफ्ट साइड को सोल्व करेंगे। Which is AB? What is the value of A? -1, 3, 2 and 0. And value of B? 1, 2, -3 and -5. Let's multiply these matrices. जैसे कि मैं पहले बता चुका हूँ, रो बाय कॉलम मैट्रिसेस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। -1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, 3 multiplied by -3, row by column. -1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by -3. First row and now second column. -1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by -5. Second row and first column now. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by -3. Second row, second column. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by -5. -1 multiplied by 1 is equal to -1. 3 multiplied by -3 is equal to -9. -1 multiplied by 2 is equal to -2. 3 multiplied by -5 is equal to -15. 2 times 1, 2. 0 times -3, 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 0 times -5 is equal to 0. And this will become -9 and -1 is equal to -10, -17, 2, 4. This is the left hand side AB. We will write here the value of left hand side, which is AB. -10, -17, 4. Now we write first here value of B, and this is B. 1, 2, -3, -5 multiplied by A, -1, 3, 2, 0. Okay, let's multiply. First row, first column. 1 multiplied by -1 plus 2 multiplied by 2. First row, second column. 1 multiplied by 3 plus 0, 2 multiplied by 0. Second row and first column now. -3 multiplied by -1. -5 multiplied by 2. Okay, sing it. 2. Second row and second column. -3 multiplied by 3 plus -5 multiplied by 0. -1 plus 4. 3 plus 0. 3 minus 10 and -9 and plus 0 लिख ले, -0 लिख ले, नो प्रॉब्लम. -1 plus 4 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 minus 10 is equal to -7. -9 plus 0 is equal to -9. This is the right hand side. This is the left hand side, which is not same with the right hand side. Thus, left hand side and right hand side are not equal. Thus, we say that AB is not equal to BA. Okay. let's solve part number 2, which is A into BC is equal to AB times C. Taking left hand side first. Is equal to A into BC. And what is the value of A? We write here 1 minus 1, 3, 2, 0. What is the value of B? And B is 1, 2, minus 3 and minus 5. Multiplied by C, 2, 1, 1, 3. पहले हम BC को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उसका जो रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स निकलेगा उसे फिर यहीं से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. रो बाय कॉलम. 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Yes, minus 3 multiplied by 2 plus minus 5 multiplied by 1. Second row and second column. Minus 3 multiplied by 1 plus minus 5 multiplied by 3. Okay. Minus 1, 3, 2, 0 is equal to 2 plus 2, 1 plus 6, minus 6, minus 5, minus 3, and minus 15. This will become minus 1, 3, 2, 0. 2, 0. And 4, 7. Minus 11 and minus 18. Sorry, minus 18. Now we multiply these two matrices to get the product of A into BC. Row by column. Minus 1 multiplied by 4, but 3 multiplied by 11 plus 3 multiplied by minus 11. Okay. First row and second column. Minus 1 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by minus 18. Second row, first column. 2 times 4 plus 0 times minus 11. 2 times 7 plus 0 times minus 18. Okay, right here the result of this. Minus 4 and minus 33. Minus 4, minus 33. Minus 33, the minus 4. Minus 7. I think 54 minus 54. 3 times 18 is equal to 54. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 plus 0 and 14 plus 0. What will become the result? Minus 37. Minus 61, 8 and 40. This is the product of A into BC. The result will be minus 37, minus 61, 8 and 14. Now we will see right hand side. Now taking right hand side, which is AB times C. Taking right hand side, AB times C. What is the value of A? That is minus 1320 multiplied by B 12 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, what is the value of C? 2113. Row by column. First row, first column. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus 3. ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. First row, second column. Minus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by minus 5. Okay. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by minus 3. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by minus 5. Okay. Times 2113. यहाँ पर जो ए बी का रिजल्ट आएगा उसे सी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके गाइस. -1 -9 -2 and right here -15. 2 plus 0 4 plus 0 multiplied by 2113. Okay, right here. -10, -9 and -1 is equal to -10, -17, 2 and 4 multiplied by 2113. 2113. Okay. 21 and 13. No, we multiply product of AB and C. Row by column. -10 multiplied by 2 plus -17 multiplied by 1. -17 multiplied by 1. -10 multiplied by 1 plus -17 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3. Okay. -10 multiplied by 2, -20. -17 multiplied by 1, -17. -10, 1, -10. 51. -17 times 3 -51. 2 times 4. 4 ones times 4. 2 ones times 2. And 4 3 times 12. -37. -61. -10 and -51 is equal to -61. 4 plus 4, 8. And 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. This is the right hand side, and which is exactly equal to the left hand side. So thus number AB into C बराबर है AB times C. This is the associative law under multiplication. Part number 3 of question number 5 is A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Taking left hand side, which is A into B plus C. Okay. First we add B and C and then multiply with A. What is the value of A? Minus 1, 3, 2, 0 into. What is the value of B? 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5. Plus C, 2, 1, 1, 3. Okay. Minus 1, 3, 2, 0. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 5 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 5 plus 3. Which will become minus 1, 3, 2, 0. Minus 1, 3, 2, 0. 3, 3, minus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. And minus 5 plus 3, minus 2. Now we multiply these two matrices. This is A and this is B plus C. Okay. Row by column. First row, first column. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by minus 2. First row, second column. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by minus 2. Second row, first column. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 0 multiplied by minus 2. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 0 multiplied by minus 2. This will become minus 1 times 3 minus 3 and minus 6. Minus 3 and minus 6. 6 plus 0. 6 minus 0 plus लिख ले minus लिख ले, no problem. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. Minus 9 again 6 and 6. This is the left hand side, which is A into B plus C. I write here for comparison. Left hand side, which is minus 9, 6 and 6. Okay. Now taking right hand side, which is AB प्लस AC. पहले हम AB को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर AC को करेंगे और जो उनका रिजल्ट रहेगा उन्हें ऐड कर देंगे. What is the value of A? Minus 1, 3, 2, 0. Value of B 1, 2, minus 3 and minus 5. Okay. Added by AC. What is the value of A? Minus 1, 3, 2, 0. Multiplied by with C 2, 1 and 1, 3. Okay. Row by column. Minus 1 multiplied by 1. Sorry. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by minus 5 plus 3 multiplied by minus 5. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by minus 3. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by minus 5. This is the AC. Added by, this will become the AC. Minus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1. Row by column. First row, first column. First row and second column. Right there. minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. Second row and first column now. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 1. Second column and second row and second column. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 3. This is AB, this is AC. Okay. Minus 1, minus 9. Minus 2, minus 15. 2 plus 0. 4 plus 0. Added by minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 9. 4 plus 0. 2 plus 0. Right here. Minus 10. Minus 70. 2 and 4. Added by 1, 8, 4 and 2. This is AB and this is BC. Now add these two matrices. Minus 10 plus 1. Minus 10 plus 1. Minus 17 plus 8. 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2. Minus 9. Minus 17 plus 8. Minus 9. 2 plus 4, 6 and 6. Which is exactly right hand side AB plus AC, which is exactly same with the left hand side right here. So A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Thus हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कॉमा A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Let's see part number 4. A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. BC को पहले माइनस करेंगे और जिसका जो रिजल्टेंट आएगा उसे A से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स सी. Taking A into B minus C. A minus 1, 3, 2 and 0. What is B? 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5. Minus C, 2, 1, 1, 3. Okay. Minus 1, 3, 2, 0. Multiplied by 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1, minus 5 and minus 3 is equal to minus 1, 3, 2, 0. Multiplied by 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, minus 3 and minus 1 is equal to minus 4, minus 5 and minus 3 is equal to minus 8. Now we multiply both these both matrices. Okay. First row, first column, and then second row, second column, second row, first column, second row, and then second column. Okay. Minus 1 times minus 1 plus 3 times minus 4. First row, first column, and then first row, second column. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus 8. Okay. Second row, first column. 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus 0 multiplied by minus 4. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by minus 8. Let's see what is the result. Okay, resultant matrix. Minus times plus, 1 times is equal to 1. Plus minus 12. Minus 12. Okay. Plus minus 1 and minus 24. 3 times minus 8 minus 24. 2 times minus 1 is equal to minus 2 and plus 0 or minus 0, no problem. 2 plus 0 and the resultant will be minus 11, minus 25, minus 2 and 2. This is the resultant matrix of A into B minus C, and this is, and actually it is a left hand side. We write here left hand side for the comparison. Minus 11, minus 25, minus 2 and 2. Now we will move towards the right hand side. Now taking the right hand side, which is A times B minus A times C. What is the value of A? Minus 1, 3, 2, 0. Multiplied by B, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5. Okay. Minus. What is the value of A? Minus 1, 3, 2, 0. And what is the value of C? C is 2, 1, 1, 3. Okay. Multiply AB. First row, first column, then first row, second column. Okay. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Okay. First column, first row, second column. Minus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by minus 5. 2 times 1, second row, first column. Minus 2 times 1 plus 0 times minus 3. 2 times 2, second row and second columns. Plus 0 times minus 5. Minus. Now we multiply AC. Minus 1 times 2. First row, first column. Plus 3 times 1. Minus 1 times 1 plus 3 times 3. Okay. 2 times 2 plus 0 times 1. 2 times 1 plus 0 times 3. Okay. Minus 1 times 1 is equal to minus 1 and minus 9. Minus 2 and minus 15. 2 plus 0 and 4 plus 0. Minus. Minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 9. 4 plus 0. 2 plus 0. Okay. Minus 1 and minus 1 is equal to minus 10. Okay. Minus 10. Minus 2 minus 15, minus 17. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 and 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 8. And 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now subtract these matrices. Okay. Minus 10 and minus 1. Minus 17 and minus 8. Minus 17, minus 8. Minus 17, minus 8. Okay. 2 minus 4. Okay, 4 minus 2. this will become minus 10 and minus 1 minus 11, minus 17 and minus 8 is equal to minus 25, 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is the resultant matrix of AB minus AC. The resultant matrix of AB minus AC is minus 11, minus 25, minus 2 and 2. Now compare it with the left hand side. Minus 11, minus 25, 2 and 2. Both matrices are exactly same. Thus, we write here A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. Okay. अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 जो कि लास्ट क्वेश्चन है इस एक्सरसाइज का उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। यहां पर तीन मैट्रिसेस दिए गए हैं ए बी एंड सी। तो हमने प्रूव करना है ए बी होल ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू बी ट्रांसपोज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ए ट्रांसपोज। तो हम पहले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देंगे। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड what is the value of A? Minus 1, 3, 2, 0. Multiplied by with B, and value of 1, 2, minus 3 and minus 5. And taking the whole transpose of AB. Okay. First row, first column, first row, second column. Yes. Minus 1 times 1 plus 3 times minus 3. First row and second column. Minus 1 multiplied by 2, first row, second column. 3 plus 3 multiplied by minus 5. Okay. Second row, first column. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by minus 3. Second row, second column. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by minus 5. Okay. We're taking the whole transpose of it. Yes. This will become minus 1, minus 9, minus 2, minus 15, 2 plus 0. 4 plus 0. Okay. And taking the whole transpose of it. This will become minus 10. Minus 17. Okay. Minus 17, 2 and 4. And taking the transpose of, taking the transpose of it. And this will become row change into column. Minus 10, minus 17. Second row will become second column. 2 and 4. This is the resultant matrix of left hand side, which is AB whole transpose. Now right here for the comparison with the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to minus 10, 2, minus 17, 4. Now solve right hand side, which is B transpose times A transpose. Now we will solve it. Taking right hand side is equal to B transpose times A transpose. Okay. What is the value of B? Here is B. 1, 2, minus 3 and minus 5. And taking the transpose of it, multiplied by with A, and A is minus 3, minus 1, 3, 2 and 0. And taking the transpose of it. Now, row will become column. Minus 3. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. First row will become first column and second row will become second column. Now we multiply with B transpose times A transpose. Okay. Row by column, 1 multiplied by -1 plus -3 multiplied by 3. 1 multiplied by 2 plus -3 multiplied by 0. 2 multiplied by -1 plus -5 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2 plus -5 multiplied by 0. Okay. 1 times -1 is equal to -1. -3 times 3 is equal to -9. 2 plus 0. -2 -15. 4 plus 0 is equal to -1 and -9 is equal to -10. Okay. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. -2 and -15 is equal to -17. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now this is the resultant matrix of B transpose multiplied by A transpose. Now compare it with the left hand side. -10 to -17 and 4, which is exactly the same left hand side and right hand side. Thus we say that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose times A transpose. Okay, this is the end of the question. 2 solve करेंगे, which is BC whole transpose is equal to C transpose times B transpose. Taking left hand side, which is BC whole transpose. Now let's write here the value of B. 1 2 -3 -5 and multiplied by with C, and C is 2 6 3 and -9, and taking the whole transpose of it. Okay. Row by column, 1 multiplied by -2 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Row by column, 1 multiplied by 6 plus 2 multiplied by -9. Okay. Second row and first column, -3 multiplied by -2 plus -5 multiplied by 3. Okay. -3 multiplied by 6 plus -5 multiplied by -9, and taking the whole transpose of it. Okay. One times -2 is equal to -2 plus 6. 6 minus 18. -3 times -2 is equal to plus 6 minus 15. -18 and plus -5 times -9 is equal to 45. Taking the transpose. Okay, right here. 4 minus 12. Okay, now we remove it. -9 and 27. And taking the transpose of it. This will become first row will become first column, -12. Second row will become second column, -9 and 27. This is the resultant matrix of BC whole transpose. And right here for the comparison with right hand side, 4 9 4 minus 9 minus 12 and 27. Okay, now we will solve right hand side. Taking right hand side, which is C transpose times B transpose. And what is the value of C? Is minus 2, 6, 3 and minus 9. And taking the transpose of it times B 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5. And taking the transpose of it, which will become, first row will become first column, minus 2, 6. Second row will become second column. Okay. Same here, 1, 2, and minus 3 and minus 5. Now multiply C transpose and D transpose. First row, first column, minus 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2. Minus 2 times minus 3 plus 3 times minus 5. Okay. 6 times 1 plus minus 9 times 2. 6 times minus 3 plus minus 9 times minus 5. Let's see. Minus 2 plus 6, 6 plus 6 minus 15, 6 minus 18, minus 18 and minus 45. Minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 9. 6 minus 18 is equal to minus 12. Minus 18 plus 45 is equal to 27. Okay, this is our right hand side. Now compare it with the left hand side. 4 minus 9 minus 12, 27. Left hand side exactly equal to the right hand side. Thus BC whole transpose is equal to C transpose times B transpose. अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का पार्ट नंबर, स्टूडेंट्स उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.4 समझ आ गई होगी। नेक्स्ट हम एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.5 को सोल्व करेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स मेरी वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करें। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज।